my name is Linda Purcell. I am the chef and author of Veggie Outlaws, Most Wanted Vegan Recipes. In 2008, I realized there was a direct link between our health and the foods that we eat. Since that time, I have been on a journey to create the most wanted, delicious plant-based meals. I have created over 1,000 plant-based recipes. So hop on board. Today we're going to create an ice cream.
Add to the Vitamix blender or food processor 1 cup our Veggie Outlaws best vegan milk mixture, which you can find on our website, or use a plant-based milk of your choice. Add 2 cups of frozen banana chunks, 1 cup frozen strawberry chunks, 1 cup frozen mango, 2 tablespoons cane sugar to give it a little sweetness, and 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs to give it a nice crunch, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 4 medjool dates chopped, then process until smooth and creamy, 3 to 5 minutes. You may need to insert the bonker, also known as the Vitamix tamper tool, to keep the mixture processing. Process until all the ingredients are incorporated and no chunks remain. Makes 4 3/4 cup servings. Top each serving with cacao nibs and sliced almonds and serve immediately to satisfy your inner dessert craving with a little treat that's twice as nice. It's healthy and super tasty.
This is our version of an ice cream. Let's try it. Oh my God, it's so good. Make sure you stir up that like button and subscribe to Veggie Outlaws.